Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want to charge customers automatically on a weekly, monthly, or maybe a yearly basis, recurring payments are the way to go. So in today's small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you how to actually set up recurring payments in Squarespace in 2026, of course. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, go all the way using your device. Make sure you are fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go and look for Squarespace login. Tap on this website, it will take you automatically where you should just go and use your email address to sign in. Of course, and your password, we all know this. After this, pick your website. Then we're gonna go all the way and actually look for products. So we're gonna go all the way to products and service. We have products here, orders, discounts, select tools, and all of this. So you can either go to products, check basically your product list and every other detail. We can also go to the content and memberships. Tap in on products here also. So we have create your digital product, add pricing plans. We should also use this later. You also have this member site, an area of your site with members only pages and content, a space for you to post updates and every other detail. So for example, we have this create button also, course, video on demand, blog, member site, sales page, and also. So we're gonna go to the pricing plan details. So this is the support of Squarespace. When visitors purchase a pricing plan, they create an account and become a member of your site. This is basically all of the information you will need later. You can also, as I told you before, go all the way to here. Products and services, go to products. So let's go add physical products, for example. We have multiple options, details, images, sales, and we have subscriptions. All you're gonna do is tap on subscriptions. Then pick one-time purchase and subscription or subscription only. Repeat every. Basically, you can pick 1 week, 1 month, 2 months. It depends on you. Billing cycle expires after, depends on you. You can even put the discount, then tap add. And that's basically it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.